As a challenge, I haven't learned how to do this yet. We're going to try and land the drone on that black chair over there.
Right.
So, let's see how this goes. Here we go. Nice simple start. And off we go. Uh-oh, no. Jenny does it. Oh, we're so close.
Oh, that's fast.
That
was very fast.
It's a beginner drone,
Is it?
Is it a good idea to start turning it on now? It's got like flaky grass over it.
I don't know, try it.
Sure.
I don't know, mate, don't worry about it, just try it.
We're successful.
Hey!
We landed like Mario Kart 8. Alright, now let's see if I can find a way to bring it back over. Ready?
Oh,
no, yeah. Oh boy.
oh God.
I did it anyway. It's crashed a bit, hold on. I think it stopped as well.